episode, I'm going to show you how to make a Mediterranean cold pasta salad. Simple, easy, and full of flavor. The ingredients for this recipe are cherry tomatoes, fresh basil. I have this pasta farfalle. You can use any pasta you have in your pantry. I have green olives and red calamata olives, tuna, and at the moment I have feta cheese, but if you have, let's say, mozzarella cheese, it's okay as well. I'm gonna start by cutting the cherry tomatoes in half. I'm gonna put a drizzle of olive oil so it doesn't stick. It's important that your pasta is cool, is on room temperature before you put it in the fridge. So let's go. Add the tomatoes. I'm adding the feta cheese, and I don't know what it is, but the feta just gives the pasta that little something extra. And this, my friends, is the kind of dish that doesn't need to try too hard. Let's try this. So fresh. This tastes like summer in a bowl. And this is how you make this easy Mediterranean cold pasta salad. And if you enjoyed this recipe, please give a thumbs up and see you on the next episode.